Hi there.
It's Daisy.
Welcome, Daisy. How are you?
She's excited.
Yes, of course. You want to try olive oil?
Yes.
Yeah. You will try olive oil with me. We will do the tasting together.
Yes.
Yeah. My name is Val. Daisy. Meet you. Cheers, Daisy.
Yes.
Nice to meet you. Have a small one, similar.
Really?
That I call her Blondie.
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 Oh,
Hey, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Welcome.
Thank you.
So you are ready?
Let's go. Let's go.
upstairs.
Should we just say that? Leave it on there, it's fine. Oh, look at this.
Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.
Oh, thank you.
And please have a seat.
Wow.
Hello.
That's us. I think this is it.
And here are the 3 olive oils that we are going to try. Thank you, Vassilakis Estate. My name is Val. We will do the olive oil tasting together. And as you see, we have 4 different olive oils to try. You can see the names in front of the glasses. And they are all made from the same olive. We're going to try here olive oil with bread. Even the bread is there. We are going to see the olive oil plain first. At the end, if you want, yes, you can try it with your bread. But first, we will see the olive oil plain. And we will clean our palates before the tasting. So you can have a piece of apple to clean your palate, please. According to the International Olive Oil Council, we must use green apple or drink water to clean our palate. I want you to take the first glass which says V. Hold it in your hands like that. Secure the lids on the top. And now gently swirl around the glasses. Bring it first here close to your chest. Open the lid and see if you can smell the intensity of the aromas.
Oh, wow.
As you see, it has high intensity. That's why we can smell immediately when you open it. Bring it very, very close. A good sip. Keep it in the mouth, behind your teeth, and do like breathe. Inhale. The oxygen will help the aromas, but don't swallow. Keep it there for a while. After entering oxygen, and then drink it.
Oh, wow. Peppery.
Yeah. Now you are, you can join your olive oil with bread, and I will get you some more and something else to finish the tasting.
Great.
Okay.
This is my favorite.
Enjoy.
Thank you. Oh, you got the Christmas one?
No?
Tea is my favorite.
Potatoes.
Oh my goodness.
We will try them with olive oil, not with butter or sour cream.
Terrible.
So here we have the Vassilakis Estate. And potato needs a lot of olive oil, okay? So don't be afraid.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Oh, yes,
there's
no
a
holding
load of
back.
That's how I am with the butter anyway when I have a baked potato. You're right.
Yeah.
I want you to tell me what do you think about this
Okay.
version.
We're going in. Probably the best potato I've ever had.
We can deliver them.
Amazing.
Because I love like a baked potato with butter anyway, like lots of butter.
First have a tour around the facilities.
Nice.
And then we will come back in the shop downstairs. Hills in Agios Sophia, 50 kilometers away from here. Baby tree, if you compare it to the thousands of years ago. And they will grow, the olives will grow a little bit more, but not very, very much. still they will stay small, like the capers.
Like the ones from the restaurant?
Yeah. Let's go and see the beans. So here is the bone clean facility. Please. Stay in front of the window.
That's the charisma.
With olive oil and nitrogen gas, and then they get sealed with a cap. The nitrogen gas protects the oil from oxidation.
She used to be, like, that's why I call her Crazy Daisy.
How old is she?
She's 2 now.
2 years?
Yeah, so she's going to be 3 this year.
Oh.
You are so cute.
Kisses.
I knew that was going to happen.
Kisses.
Olive jam, olive spread, and different varieties here. Vinegars, tsipouro. Do you know what this is?
No.
Have you tried? In the restaurant? It's not raki? Raki.
Ah,
it
okay.
is. It's the same.
Okay.
But
We're not
this
fan.
one,
We're not lovers.
you don't like it? It's strong.
Yeah.
I know, but it's excellent for digestion after the meal.
Oh, is that why they give it to us?
That's
not
why.
to get us.
Yeah, just a small.
Just a little bit.
Just a
Okay, we
shot.
just do a little bit.
Yeah. I see that my colleague now is doing the tasting. So we can go and visit the tank.
Yeah.
Downstairs.
That's great.
And then we will come here and see the factory.
Okay.
So this is the factory here we produce all the olive oil. Είσαι τι καλή που είναι. She's so nice.
Where are you coming from? United States?
Ireland.
Ireland. Okay. How was your tour? You tasting?
Yeah, great.
Δεν είναι γλύκα.
Enjoy the rest of your stay.
Thank
Enjoy the
you.
tour.
I know my bag, isn't it?
Great.
If you want a picture here,
I didn't bring my. Oh,
I
yeah,
have mine.
yeah.
Wow.
The tanks, as you see here, most of them are empty.
Okay.
So we sold the olive oil. Also, we have another amount of olive oil under the bottling facility as a backup for orders
Okay.
and for the shop. But most of the olive oil has gone already for export. New one. They work exactly the same way. One is used for the organic olive oil, and the other is for the conventional. Because organic, it's certified. So they
You
don't
can't have
use
cross
it-
contamination.
No, the leaves, because we bring them here together from the field. They are transferred from the first machine with those tubes. And by their vacuum method, the leaves and the small branches are extracted in another area where they get specially processed for compost 30 minutes in temperature less than 27 degrees. And this is how we achieve the cold extraction. I send and separates the solid from the liquid. The solid is extracted from the pipe in an outdoor area, and we can use it like pellet for fire for cooking.
Yeah.
The liquid is transferred in this machine, and there we separate the olive oil from the oil. And this is very close to 2,000 euros.
Wow. Incredible.
And it's a very strong. So this is the mine olive oil.
Very strong. Yeah, that was really strong.
Croissants on the top of yogurt, ice cream, pancakes. Mother's Day.
Tastes like a healthy food.
Does it?
Yeah.
Oh.
You know it's healthy.
Oh, wow. That's amazing.
I don't think
Some people like it, some other don't. It has this
I like
strong
that.
flavor. Yeah, it's very healthy.
Oh, we're awake now. like the chocolate for those, I heard.
They use it. Yeah.
You want to try?
It's rich in calcium.
Just thinking about it.
They make treats from Carob for those.
Wow, that's amazing. I wasn't expecting to like that one actually. I was a bit like, oh, I'm not bothered if I try it, but Pam wanted to try it. Oh, I'm surprised, it's delicious. You like it, Daisy? Oh, she got it all in her beard and everything. Oh, at least Daisy got to taste something today.
Would you like? We have the carobs here as a snack.
Oh,
They look like.
do you like that? Wow, how could I beard?
This is the fruit.
Oh, little right.
It's very tasty.
Here, Daisy. Taste test approved.
Yes.
Who would have known? Yeah, she loves it.
It's organic thyme and flour. Would you like to try?
Yes.
Excellent for tea, for breakfast.
Oh wow.
Very nice. It's really nice only with strawberries.
Very fresh.
Yeah.